There was this one day. There was this one day. Masiye emngcwabeni. Akanazo. Doesn't have the club pants. Doesn't have the shirt. Shirt I don't have. What I gonna take a spot. We're gonna spot which year. I will find the spot so much.
So he doesn't own any shirt.
Man, you get it. It's only blue, man. If for my pants, it's only with the shirt. Which never.
Wow.
Mina zanto ngicela ukugqoza kazi umsefuma. Uqala ukuthenga sona ngicala. Azange ngisigqoko kodwa.
Kodwa ngisho njalo
Ngithenga
uthenga
isibhruko then ngicala ukugqoka.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. Just to guys to alert you, the guys who are joining us today on studio, we are rolling. The most important people are these. So please, for now, you're not gonna cut that one out, should be noted. Yeah.
Yo, put nyazo man, is all the thing.
No man, yesterday, NBM posted Umuti there's Blue's birthday party. Do you guys know Blue? Wow. Do you not know? Yeah, that's it. You don't know her. We are delela. Mana when we are delela remote, how much Blue? Now how much? Good when I right. You know Blue. Machine, do you know Blue?
Man, I know Blue. Any Blue,
No, Blue was birthday yesterday.
I know Blue very well.
Okay, so there was
very well.
Well. You even had to go to very well. What do you mean very well?
Oh, I haven't seen.
So people saw a poster of Blue's birthday party. And then there was just a social media thing in Mapobi.
Okay.
And they were like, who's Blue? Watomuye Ujona I think two letters. That was the comment. So when Aumazi Blue. Like fuck you.
Man, I'm coming to do his Tom.
Like he doesn't know Blue. Blue used to be my model. 2018, Miss Mkondo, she was there. 2019, I think. 2019 was she there in 2019? Yes, that's her name.
Mana Mr. S wena unamamodela amaningi.
Yeah, I know.
Yabo so kunzima ukuthi ke na ngiwabambe. Mhlambe mase ngimbona kanje sengisho ukuthi wo I know this one.
You were doing gate taking in my very second one. But you were there. You should know the models. So it was going to be a problem if those two did not know who's Blue because they were the ones who were doing photography for Miss Mikono. So they should know. Or maybe they should not know every model, but they should know the models. Because Ibaba at the time, Ibaba
know all.
I got him very well.
I know
you
all.
see that's why Ute very well.
I know very well.
Uthi me know all.
Ute very well. Ute shoot abesathi ngicela ukushootha leseceleni. Ushuthe eseceleni.
So esengekho ke lapho bashuta leseceleni. Lezi ezenziwa kulokhunje.
Mr. X content.
Manje wena awufuni ukuya lapho wena. No. You should invite me the day you decide ukuthi you wanna go that route. Mina ngizokubambela ila.
That route. I think that route is starter. It's as far as
ufuna ukuthi ma 85 years.
More cool.
How?
I'm
it's a starter.
Yeah. You when you start doing these things. Because my that kind of learner. And as we are happy in the so for years, I mean,
so 85 is a start.
What kind of I'm not saying it's a start. So you the most. Mara usabenza wena ndlela.
He's doing it. Nophindile bayenza
Hayi Phindile is different kind. Leba kayenza kudala. Yabona bayenza kudala, kubayenza kudala.
Yeah.
Ayisafanele manje. Sakhulile manje.
Oh, okay.
Exactly. Shows nami nje bona science.
Ba 85. Uthi Peck uyayistarter. That's what we said.
my dog. Stop stop. Izolo NPM yes.
No, NPM was great. Yesterday it was
Mina
great.
angithi ngiyaklisana. Because how did that happen?
No, man. People were just asking Guti, who's this? And then obviously I commented in some of the posts that I saw to know. Yeah, but I mean, Guti, do you know her? I'm like, yeah, I do know her. She used to be. Who show you?
Accident.
Oh, accident.
Ukuthi ifika kanjani ifika ukungena accident.
Apparently, I got into an accident, and I can't recall getting into an accident. I'm still in one piece. There's no.
Wonke umuntu safe.
Yeah, everybody's safe. It's just the car that's damaged. So apparently, I got the story. Apparently, somebody basically drive through a KFC because we left here before they could close, and then we went to KFC, or we left when they closed. I don't remember. And we went to KFC to get some food. I blacked out, I guess, because I can't recall us getting into an accident. And then Masfiga Gelapana, so apparently there's a car, a reverse back to us. Yeah, damaged the car that we were driving yesterday. So that's today, not even yesterday, because it was around 3. Yeah. So that's the accident we got into, but everybody's safe. I'm yet to see my guy. He's coming. He's going to be with us now because he said he doesn't want to be alone. I think he wanted damage. And right now, Asimbon no Muntu Olo. Can you please make sure that the sound is suppressed? Asimbonanga no Muntu or Shaisila because our phone apparently they were flat and we couldn't even take photos. It was okay. Yeah, but it's a drive-through. So he went to KFC and to check my camera. So he engele I check away when I was trying to find out. He engele Ivez Unyama was a KFC. And then he went to Roman's Pizza. When he went to Roman's Pizza, also it shows a different angle. So we can't even see who got into us. So that's that. Fucked up, I guess. But yeah, we're safe. We're grateful that we are safe. We are here. Say issue Mondo, we need to sort out the issue Mondo. And apparently wanted to call the cops yesterday, and then he was advised not to because
you guys
we were heavily intoxicated. Yeah, we were critical but stable, so we could not call the cops. But we are all safe. Nobody died. Nobody was injured. It's just the car.
Manje Lushaba, you were there. Kodwa uzosebesha
mina ngizama I get a call like mo 9 and 10. Yeah. So I get a call. No, I get a call. They're like, can you check what time we went to KFC? I'm like, what's wrong? Because I know I'm the one who paid. No, can you go to your app and check the transaction? What time was it made? I'm like, okay. What happened? What was Padere KFC as far as I know? I don't know. Do you remember going into an accident? I'm like, no, I don't remember us getting into an accident. I'm like, okay, it's fine. Go to your app, check Uguti Upadare Mobanis KFC. Fuck, really? And then I called this other guy. I'm like, dude. So apparently we got into an accident yesterday. Yeah, it was 22-3. I'm like, fuck, okay. Cool. I'm like, fuck, okay. So I went to my app. My app shows the date, which yes, I did a transaction yesterday. And then because now I blog, I'm an SMS, yeah, and then I went deeper and I searched and then it shows the time. Because I think he wanted there to put my baby camera.
Oh,
like
yeah,
the
for a
KFC
specific time,
for a
yeah.
specific time. And then I went there, and then it showed the time, which this was the time. I can't recall getting into an accident. No, but guys, I only drank less than 18.
Less than 18.
Yeah.
That's okay.
I
And
didn't.
it could be 17, hey?
No, it can't be. Wait.
It can't be 17.
No,
Once of your 5,
It
dog, I'm born
could
it.
be, if you say
It's a
less
different
than,
topic.
it could be just...
no, ngiqale nge 6 and I tried a 6 yami. And then I came here. When I came here, I bought a 6.
12.
Yeah, so that's 12. I put a pen. Then when I was about to leave, I bought another 6. But I did not wait. I mean, that's why I'm saying less than 18, because Mina, when the call came through, Mangvuga on my bedside thingy, ikhona, but ila ehafini angiqedanga. And then emaphutsini asemsebenzini ngithathe ngafaka lapha na u3 ngwafake lapha, so minus 4, so that means in fact minus 2 or minus 1 should ngiphuze 13, not even 12, ngiphuze 13 or 12 and a half. Mara khona lento abasifakela yona la ngeke nginqamuke kanje ngingasakhuluma.
Bengifuna ukuya lapho kodwa manje ngibona ukuthi ubesa wathi 18, so I was like, okay.
No, I'm saying it was less than 18 because Leo 3 engikhuluma ngayo isefridgini manje. Phela yashisa bengifake manje.
Ukube bedinga i-counseling for abantu ababekwi-accident. Ubengayidingi phela. Uxoxeliwe ukuthi zishayisiwe.
Mina ngitsheliwe and bengishela uFront City ngalomzuzu. Mara yenzekile yonke lento nje did not see it. Yeah,
It's
No,
fine.
zibuya
We have
kakhulu.
you alive.
yeah, but I'm alive. Yeah, thank
Sorry
God.
for that. Hle nama-guests today ngiyasho nawo azathule kakhulu asho zinamajita wasesintroduce and everything. Ungakhuleka guys, we're just getting you in. Yabo sanifudumeza in a way. Mr. ngamgcina. We're just catching up, yabo.
Sengikhulume kangaka.
Sesikhulume kangaka.
How many episodes did I miss? I only missed 1. And then yadelela nina.
Yabona sesibuyile.
So Mshini, our episode now packed because we were part of that episode, but I see episode.
Washo zi.
By the way, that episode has got more views than their episode.
Washo zi.
Manga besifuna siye lapho ke.
Washo zi. Washo zi.
Wona zini. Nokuba netball coach. Kazeza nama responsibility ama. Choir khona. Ngimbonile conduct choir lapha yana. Ngimbonile netball. Head of house.
Ngiyakutshela.
But Zile, our episode,
It's running more numbers.
yeah, more numbers than yours.
Numbers don't lie.
We look at the numbers.
Now I'm catching things, but
Hey,
I'm catching.
now you were there.
When I was here, but then I said it.
Now you were there.
It was an episode, but then Zile didn't consider it as an episode. Now I'm sure why you can't say that. What's next?
No, but Mshini uploaded the episode and it's got more numbers. And guys, it's that episode where I was alone because these ones decided to blow off. So I was with the behind the scenes guys. You guys did the most. We've got more views than their episode. Mara siko lapho bese ngithi angisho nje ngibeke le ukuthi
Just to throw it out there.
for it to be known.
Linear.
Exactly.
Zile, now you know Zile. Because ngiyazi what if throw it for. Just move.
Hayi ke akwazi lo.
But then, otherwise, uthinda yakuthinta futhi.
Uyamthinda lo muntu.
Bangithinta lana kodwa ke abamancane. Umuntu oserious ngizomthinta mangiphuma.
Uzwile ke? Uyayiva ke ngoku.
Okay.
Oh, sweet.
Akuzintombi ngidila ibusiness kuleyinsuku. Intombi yayi.
Before singene into izimseso, angazi noma would you like it to ungiqalele ngaphi nokuqala ngaphi intro nje ukuthi yabo. What we here with today ama guests yabo and all that.
What the fuck?
Phela vele ngokhuluma.
Ayo, it's another exciting episode of the Wave Sessions podcast. We're back. We're here. We are alive, even though we got into shitty things. but we are alive. Guys, ngicela abanye abantu before we introduce our guests. Ngicela abanye abantu bangihloniphe guys.
Sho kanjani?
Yazi angisakhona ukuphuza ngikhululeke. Angisakhona ukukhamba kahle nje ngikhululeke nasedown. Guys, I don't owe you any jobs. I don't owe you any tenders. Ngeke lento ukuthi mangibone down ukuthi kanti nisifaka nini emsebenzini. Angifaka emsebenzini. Please. Abantu nje abangiyeke ungijwayela nje kuhlungu please. Bangangijwayela nje kabi. But anyways, asikho lapho. I'm gonna, because me I talk a lot. I'm gonna let our guests to introduce themselves because I'm also share out
For the first time.
yeah, I'm also share out the things that they do. Because these are poets. I know them as poets. But he's also
I mean, I know him as a rapper. not a
exactly. So he's a rapper and a poet. But I'm gonna let them to introduce themselves. Why is that only yabona kuma interview but tell us about yourself. And then my name is Sakil El Shaba. So you see.
What do you do?
So we're gonna start here, and then our guests are going to introduce themselves, and then let's say we move around. And I'm very happy today. Uguti, who interview? I've got my mentee.
Oh,
Yeah. So it's an exciting episode for me. I've got somebody whom I started with from the ground level up to where he is right now, and I can proudly say I am very proud. Ngiyayibona imbewu, ngiyabona ukuhloba kwenhlanyelo engayifaka lapha. So we're gonna get into that as we move to with the show. But let's give our guests to introduce themselves and then we take it from there.
Okay, sengiyaqala.
Yeah, so
akumele phezulu ukuthi ungasabi.
Hayi igama uNkosinathi elinye like the poet. Ngi-first born ekhaya. Then ngiphinde ke futhi ke bese kuba ukuthi ngiya-actor. Yeah, not full time but full time. Bese kuba ukuthi ngiyimbongi okanye usonkondlo okanye ngenza inkondlo okanye ngibhala inkondlo noma ngiyi-high sometimes. So manginezwe ithuba lokuthi ngiyi-high bese kuba ukuthi ke sometimes ke futhi ngiphinde ke ngibe umhleli futhi umcimbi okwamanje ngisahlela umcimbi owodwa yabo
which is what exactly?
obizwa nge-Inkwell Collective experience under i-Inkwell Collective. Yes, siyabonga.
That's it. Thank you.
Okay, so nginelami igama nguKada.
Clear out the rumors. Clear out the rumors.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wait, let's
Yeah.
start. You see how he introduced himself. He started Nevin number, Lela Home Affairs. So, what's your stage name?
Stage name?
Yeah.
Like
You see, League. That's why I wanted them to introduce themselves. Because we have today we've got Liga on, but now I'm butchering his name. So start with your VIN number and then we get to your stage name.
Okay, but here's the thing, there's Kada even number. It's not like only a stage name.
That's your real name?
Yeah, that's my real name. So my real name is Kada Mdeni. Yes.
Not Bunny.
Not cider, not Kada. Yeah, to clear the rumors, not all these other names. So my name is Kada. That's a VIN number. It's in the ID. Yes. It's
Are your
also,
parents educated?
yeah,
She's
No, you know why I'm asking. Ayithi abazali bethu in the olden days bebasebenza emakhishini. So you end up getting a name because umlungu can't pronounce Sakil. Like me, my boss is Indian, so the S to him is a Z. He calls me Zakil.
yeah, I get that.
So that's why I'm asking, are they educated? Baze bathi Kada. Ukada phela i-corporate
yeah.
There's back to a Kada long name.
Yes.
All right, carry on.
That's where I got the name because it's Malami.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, so then my name is Kada. That's a real name. It's also a stage name. And then I rap and I'm a poet. So as a rapper, they call me Ukeda Demigod Rapper. And as a poet, they call me Ukeda the Celestial Poet. Yes. So I'm a rapper, I'm a poet, I'm a songwriter, performing artist, I'm a graphic designer, I'm an event organizer. Yeah, I'm a programmer as well. So I do a couple of things.
So Marati is a designer. I need to know who designs the posters. Is it you or him? Because you are all in that one cage. Is it you or him?
He designed posters, I design tickets.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Split to 2.
Yeah, because in Query Collective, we have 3 graphic designers.
Okay.
It's him, it's me, and then we have Uletu too. He's also a graphic designer.
enye inkabi yangale ntombi.
And you're Betsemakhaya, by the way. Just so you know.
Kodwa uma ubheka ngasekhomondeni nje.
What I said.
Uchaza ukuthi intombi kusemakhaya. Why?
Ngisho ukuthi abantu bazi ukuthi potential nasemakhaya. Yes, you were saying.
Yeah, so I was saying, as a rapper, I'd like to classify myself as a conscious rapper, just to be different from other rappers. Abantu abake ba-attend i-Inkwe Collective experience bake babona ukuthi most times uma ngiperforma laphaya ngiperforma those conscious songs, the slow hip hop, slow rap. So like uma ngiperforma, I need people to sit down and listen, just as they would sit down and listen to poets and everything. Yeah. So I'm a conscious rapper. I think that's what I can say for that.
I think the conscious rapper will rap as a conscious song, and rap and will recite a conscious poem, before we leave. Guys, those who are watching also, there's noise that's happening, there's the sound at the background. We spoke about Blue when we started. Yesterday it was her birthday, and it's continuing today. But we've requested the guys to play a soft, and we appreciate Uti, they respected that decision. So if there's that sound that you are hearing, it's because there's that birthday party that's happening on the other side, and this is in our studios and doing what needs to happen. We are making the pods to happen. Yeah.
We're doing the things.
Yeah. Let's move on to.
Hey.
Umzulu. Igama lami nguThokozani uBhekuthando wakwaMasondo nakadlamini nebongeza u2 namagama amabili. So kwi-art industry ngisebenzisa uBhekuthando. uBhekuthando nje kuphela. I'm doing poetry, I'm organizing ama-event, ngisemsakazweni futhi I'm a radio presenter. Ngi-graphic designer, bengidesignela uKhuzani nje
Papa.
and ngizobabala ngoba sizofika lapho.
Okay.
Yes.
Uyabreaka lo mjini.
Kuma event ke sengithe ngawahlela le yiyo nje lesibhizi ngayo vele esisazoqina abantu ngayo and esifisa ukuthi abantu basisupport kuyona le event le besine second annual ngo December mhla ka21. Ngomhla ka20 December this year sine third annual i-Inkwe Collective experience. Sithi ke na i-rap theme yakhona, rhythm and poetry. Not ukuthi manje siya rap abantu
so RAP. R for rhythm, A for end, and then
poetry.
P for poetry.
Yebo. Maningi ama-event engikwenzile noma manje bemancane kodwa ube makhulu kwi-mentor yami uSakhile Lishaba. Uyena ongithathe phansi wangicathulisa from eqaleni ngi-artist engiyilona njengamanje because of yena. Uyafika entombe ngokuhlala ngisuka entombe. Uyafika entombe silale phansi ecansini ade ngizolala ecansini ngizodla sona ispinach lesi ngizodla wena iklabishi leli. And then I was doing acting by that time. ngokuhamba kwezinto-ke ngokushintshashintsha ngoba kunezinto ey'ningi laphana ezenzakalayo kwi-acting besenza ama-event nje ngaso sonke isikhathi masifuna ukwenza i-event with i-support yesibonga Okuhle Creative Minds. Kunama-teams nje ayekhona kukhona iy'nkanyezi
Yeah,
iy'nkanyezi cishe ngabiza lela gama lakudala
Ley'ntandane.
ngabiza lela kudala yes
Bekuzwakudelela nje kahle.
yes bonke ke labantu bazalwa uwevele sizalwa uwesonke ngicabanga ukuthi senza ama-event lawo but the biggest event engayenza Ntombe kwakuyi Ntombe Youth Expo wayekhona uSakhile Shaba kwakhona oMiss bangalowo nyaka loyo ababewine ngoDisemba and then yayingo-October yabo ngo-October
Yeah, I think it was October.
yabo ngo-October and then sase event esayenza ngomhla ka-30 December bafika oMiss and it was nice Ntombe Youth Expo and then bese kuba ilena ke maningi ke futhi namanye siwa-curate we create events we design iy'mpahla siphinde futhi ke phinde Fire Emoji i-CEO yakhona ne-company nje Fire Emoji well trademarked i-registered yonke into right sekuthi kena siyakhula each and every year mhlawumbe mawaka-check-a on Facebook or all the social pages or social media pages uzoyithola i-Fire Emoji lapho.
I thought you guys stopped.
Kuningi ya kuningi kakhulu ngicabanga ukuthi singaqhubeka ngizoba lokhuningi kodwa nje kubalulekile ukuthi imento yami nansi
I'm not seeing you visible.
The Fire Emoji. They've got a new brand, by the way. The Ghost Edition. You know, I must echo what you're saying. I'm very disappointed in him right now. Because I feel Uguti, Ulaika and Ukeda would have worn Inkwell Collective t-shirts and he would have worn Fire Emoji with the new designs and all of that. I've always pushed this brand.
And
By
their
the
brand
way.
was so nice.
It is
because I don't know it now.
Oh.
But it is a nice brand. I don't know. I like the local brands, but Ngaibona, it was different and it was showing a different unique of designs and stuff like that. Yeah.
Thank you so much mfethu. If-Fire Emoji sasekhona so ukuthi phela lana into la kulesekela la emkhona into ivela ngaleso sikhathi safika but kwezinye indawo basaqhubeka basayithenga ama-services hamba kahle konke ku-right and yaqhubeka ama-designs amasha kune-Ghost Edition njengoba eseshilo Ghost Edition namhlanje umuntu organizile ubethe Inkwell Collective because I'm part of Inkwell Collective team. Ngifuna futhi ukuthi kungabi ukuthi kena Inkwell because abantu bahlezi bethi Inkwell Collective yabheka uthando because bangazi ukuthi ngenza ama-event but since ngiqhamuke nabo namhlanje khani kuzoxazulula kahle ukuthi kahle yini Inkwell Collective ihamba kanjani.
That's what I'm saying, Guti. For me, I studied PR, by the way. So, in the public relations, I understand it to the core. So, I understand, Guti, you guys are wearing Inkwell.
Yeah.
But you could have worn Fire Emoji because at the same time, we also giving you that advertising platform to say, there's this brand because now we're talking exactly.
Check it out.
We're talking of Fire Emoji, and there's people who have not seen Fire Emoji, and then we're talking Inkwell. There's three of you who are wearing Inkwell, but there's also another brand behind. You know, when I go to events, I wear different hats. It depends on the event I'm invited to. Okay, which hat am I wearing now? As much as you know, you should use DJ Spoo as an example, which some are no longer taking him seriously because of the recent scandal. It's not a scandal. Recent decisions that is made. Apparently, Ute Mayes or Uti contract is not going to be renewed, and then he resigned, And then later on, they were like, no, we are renewing your contract. You know, Usbu used each and every chance he got to promote Fire. Imofire. To promote Imofire. He was even fired on SABC because he fired. I mean, he
promoted his brand.
He promoted his brand. You know, he's been there. And I would be that person. I thought I taught you well, man. Why are you doing this?
No, what if I emoji in a story sound naye esingagcwala ama page awu 35 and then inkolo collective nayo iwi second annual yabo 3rd annual in a story sound naye esikhulu kanje. So I thought maybe as time goes by so phinde sibe naye enye interview if kuyenzeka yefa emoji nje specifically ungabe ukuthi ke nasi xubane inkweli because khona okuzoshiyeka kuzogcina kungenazi impendulo zakhona ngoba so lesisithatha lesithatha. Yes.
Okay, now that makes sense. But I would have still wanted 5 more. So I usually unconsciously so and unknowingly so advertise his brand. And he sent me a text December. I can't remember where I wore his I think it's the white t-shirt that I have. I wore that white t-shirt. So I wore that t-shirt and then he sent me the message, hey, you advertise our brand. And without knowing, because I was like, Gandhi, it appears on different platforms. As a brand. So, because
It's surprise.
Oh,
surprise.
Is a surprise. So, yeah. So that's that, and we love the brand. I think it's been consistent with most of the brands that we've seen. Amanye thank you. Amanye bawenzile because of they wanted the fame and whatnot. You know, I've sponsored some of the brands. There's quite a few that I've sponsored. And I'm very happy with it. Ever since Fire Emoji started, it's been there. They are consistent and all of that. But what I think you need to improve on would be the marketing, because as Pilane is saying, Pilane is one of my mentees as well. He's one of my guys I taught acting and all of that. So these are my so you know, I think you need to be very robust and very out there when it comes to your marketing and all of that. But anyways, bangifakena age ngiyakhuluma ke age uvesana ithulele once I start.
Indaba ngibuke emshini. Yeah, for a market. Top up, yeah.
Oh, la.
Yeah.
Oh, all right.
Othi umuntu aqede.
Ukhona ne-pine tree stand up emuntwini. Like let's talk about you.
Yeah.
Guys, it's unfortunate. Yes. Ukeda. I've missed his performances. Shit. I've seen his performances. Yeah, I think I've seen his acting. I've seen his poetry. I haven't seen anything of him. Marang's Bonnie Tom. 2023, I was in KZN when they did their inquiry. Last year, I was there, but I missed some of the performances, mainly because Eka been on the very same day. So, Nang Pumange, okay, I also need to show face Eka Babon and Routing Corner. There's also inkwell and all of that. And at the same time, I'm preparing routing a ham because I was driving to KZN at the time.
Yeah.
So I missed some of the performances, and I was hoping to have seen that on Facebook or on YouTube. And you guys have not explored that platform, which I think you guys need to explore, especially for people who can't come to your events. You know, so please put it out there so that we can see which this is what they are doing and all of that, and I wanna take it from Stans. Stans is Stefan. The kind of Stefan that we need, you know. Not in a bad way. Why? Pelabaya abantu bazombona le party ngiyazi machine zovesana thathe la yenze everything. So Stans is the Stefan that we need. He's out there and he wants you to pay attention. So you need to do that as well. You need to be aggressive in your marketing, in your brand management and all of that, so that we see this person is doing 1, 2, 3 and all of that. Like I said, I studied PR and marketing is part of that. Advertising is part of the course that I did. So you guys need to be very aggressive and you need to explore other avenues so that we can see, so there's Inkwell and all of that. Because I had earmarked that day, I'm going to be there. By the way, in A21, I was fully booked. I was fully booked on the 21st, so I had back-to-back events that I had to attend, and I've missed some of the performances, and I was hoping I would see those performances on Facebook. You guys have not tapped into that space. I'm not really a TikTok fan, so I don't really get to see. Maybe you've posted there, but I don't get to see your content on other platforms.
Ukufika lapho si kulokho ngokuphelile asibanga nawo amandla.
Whoa, si strong isandla salo muntu ngeke. Yes, you were saying?
Yes. Ngokuphelile kulo yanyaka lo yaya kwi-first annual asibanga nawo amandla. That is why saba nenkinganyana yokuthi kena sikwazi ukuthi sikhokhele abantu abazoshuthela umcimbi wabo. Kodwa ke sabe sesicela ku-web stations. Ku-right futhi sibuye ku-web stations. Bese sicela ku-web stations ukuthi siyacela bafethu ukuthi kena nisilekelele lapha nisize lapha asinalutho. But what we can offer 1, 2, 3. Okay, yavuma web stations beza bashutha ama-video azangeswathola.
Mshini, what happened?
Babethi bazohlanganisela after the video azangesizitho.
Mshini, what happened?
Exposed.
And you're not gonna cut this one.
So
Guys, uphathe kuphela uyosedithelela uyazi ukuthi yini ayifunayo. Mshini, what happened to their video? I remember you said something. I think he did even apologize.
Yeah, we want to comment after that we saw.
No, in the end, I think it's the same year as the previous full moon, not the last one.
Yeah.
So I had a problem with the laptop. So I couldn't edit. I wasn't having the content the full moon. Yapuma just before this full moon.
Yeah.
I had a problem with the laptop, so I was struggling.
So I apologize to these guys now. I stopped explaining. We're not interested in your story. Apologize.
No, why were you asking?
I useless that explanation. Yeah.
yes.
Inkwell Collective.
Yes.
And we apologize on behalf of our boss there. Who decide to upload. But in Vumbuga we trust.
In
Vumbuga we trust. We express our gratitude to Vumbuga Trust.
Yes, we now can never lose videos.
We will never lose videos. Vumbuga Trust for your sponsorship. We trust you.
Yes.
And in Vumbuga we are trusting.
Okay.
Okay.
And in Vumbuga, so you will never lose your content.
Okay. Yes. We content yakho. Ngingakhohlwa ukuthi sasicele uZinitha Mini siswa. Umzala wami lo. Hawu. Angithi umzala kanjani? UZinitha Mini bese sicela ukazi saphinde sacela bani konje u-ODT ukuthi basilekelele ever since thina sibancane kulento le esiyenzayo, but then bona bazoba ama-pillars sibukele kubona wonke umuntu osukayo, because kahle kahle sengilokhuza phakathi, but uKeda ogudi kwi-presentation ye-Inkwe Collective. Who can present this whole thing? Mhlampe manganikeza yena uKeda and then asho up until because mina ngizoyithatha amanqampunqampu.
Kenya, I know this guy. I mean, I took him from there. You know, so sizoxoxa thina niyenzobe seniyasala. Bese bayabuza ama-viewers laba beni basala. So talk. Present Inkwe, yeah.
Nah, he's good at presenting Inkwe, but OTN, I'm the one who's good, because usually I'm the one who...
These guys are diplomatic.
No, like, I'm the one who does the admin and typing on my proposals and stuff and those things. But yeah, into engayisho njengoba sekashilo ukuthi angithi we had the first annual Inkwe Collective experience. So lapho I don't know if I should explain ukuthi Inkwe
You need to do that because a lot may not know what is Inkwe. We might know because we've got close proximity, but for somebody who does not know, explain.
Yes, Nana knows.
Okay, so for someone who doesn't know, the Inkwe Collective, it's a movement. Okay, so it's a group before it's a movement. So Inkwe Collective is a group. It's a 6-piece group. And at first it was created by 6 people who are writers. And then there's ihlukene ukuthi sonke senze art as the Inkwe Collective experience. And the one common skill we have githi sonke ukuthi we are writers.
Writing,
Yes, hence igama esaqhamuka nalo masithi Inkwe Collective. It means those people who write very well. Yes. So within Inkwe Collective, we have Mina, who's a rapper. We have Ulaika, who's a poet. We have Ubegutando, who's a poet. We have Ule Tuktula, who's a poet as well. And then we have Ulebziti, who's a vocalist.
But anyways, okay, yeah.
Yes, you will know Ule Tuktula because now he's a very good poet. He's a great writer, hence why he's part of the Inkwe Collective.
Let's reserve the very good poet for another day.
Okay. So we then, as the Inkwe Collective, we then came up with a movement, a Inkwe Collective experience. So this movement, it hosts AMA event. It's usually poetry events. It's what hosts that. So that sifuna abantu who will come to our event with the mindset yokuthi they are not going there to groove. They are not going there. Exactly. You're not going there to just dance. Yeah. So sifuna abantu who will sit down and listen to poets, listen to people who actually put the work in when it comes to writing. Yes. So then we host the AMA event of poetry. Theme event to reading and poetry. Yes, because we want to emphasize the fact that we focus more on poetry. Because even Nami, as I've already said, Wuti, I'm a poet, but Sebashi Labani Wuti, they know me as a rapper. So what I do, since I don't perform my poetry that much, what I do, Wuti, I write poetry and then I perform it in a form of a song. Yes.
Okay.
So, yeah, still emphasizing the fact that we are focusing more on poetry. Yes. And then on the first event, again, we held it at Kiddie Center, Konala Eposo. Yes.
Konale Eposo.
Konale Eposo. We were helped by our sister Ugazi Momta. Our sister Kulu, she lent us the venue, and then she also was part of the performers event. We asked the audience to afike nayo perform banozinita. So those 3 people besibacele ngokuthi bona they have more experience in the industry and more experience in performing. Yes. So besibacele ukuthi bazosiza so they can show us who are still upcoming performers ukuthi what do you do when you get on that stage, right? Yeah, so that's what Inkwell Collective is basically.
All right. Like, do you have anything to add, or do you wanna
Nawe nje
comment?
umanqamane.
Yeah.
Mina ukho enga-add ngaphezu kokuthi mhlawumbe izinto esasiyibuka thina ngokwelokholwane ngokwe-Inkwell Collective ukuthi thina sase siyayibuka ukuthi singahluka kanjani kuwona wonke ama-event akhona. So i-event yethu sayibranda ngo-live ngokuthi yonke into ezobe yenzeka khona izobe i-live. So yonke ama-performances amaningi esiwenzayo in fact wonke nje so silitshelile artist ukuthi sicela lifike nje lishawe live estage yonke into yalithi ishaya. So into leyo ke eyenza ukuthi i-Inkwell Collective iyehluka nokuthi hlehleka yonke into esiyenzayo lapha not ukuthi siyayigxeka imibono ekhona but njengoba si-collective sisodwa sikuyile 6 piece yonke imibono esinayo sisoyi-6 siyenza esingayizwa siyiphikisa thina la kule 6 siphikisane sodwa thina kuqala. So yonke into esiyenzayo lapha siwezivumelene ngayo okusho ukuthi uma kukhona ungayithandanga wena uyenza lapha siyithandile thina soyi-6 savumelana.
Anandaba nathi uthasitha.
No ukuthi asinendaba nani okusho ukuthi umbono uma uza ngaphandle uza kithi sesiyophinde sihlale nawo phansi sisoyi-6 futhi sisho ukuthi na umbono ozile sithini thina soyi-6 then ke bese siyadiscussa kulowo mbono mangabe kuukuthi nawo siyawufitha in siyawufitha in sesiwuthandile kanjani but not ukuthi uzothi mawuqhamuka umbono we7 bese sithi hayi sithatha lowo mbono ngoba ubheka uthanda udecide ukuthi siyawenza uthandile naye. So no,
I like what you said before you come in. There was a comment ebuya kuSbu Zangamandla. Shout out to you, my guy. We always take criticism and comments that you make. Usbu, if you read the comment, we like talking on top of each other. And yeah, when I was just saying it on a lighter note, so we do care and we accept the constructive criticism that comes from our viewers and our fans, and we appreciate that. And I think slowly but surely we are practicing that. Let's give each other a chance so that we don't talk on top of each other. Because others are enjoying the podcast. So we do appreciate that. Please guys, keep on commenting and let us know how we can improve for your enjoyment and for your viewing and all of that. So I appreciate that. Would you guys sit down and you plan, and then upon planning you know this is what we are doing and this is what we're not supposed to be doing, and iyo le egcina iyenza into yenu igcine ihamba ngolai.
Yes. Ekuthenini si-group. I-group iyasiza noma i-team iyasiza. Teamwork makes the dream work. Nawe nje ukumisa imikhondo vela wazi usebenze solo. Kunomuntu obanga ukuthi kunomuntu owenza ama-practices, kunomuntu mawungakwenza konke nala ephaketheni ugcina iphakethe lakho ligobo. Niyakwazi ukubonisana. Isandla esisodwa asifani nezandla eziningi noma izandla ezimbili. Izandla ezimbili ziyakwazi ukubambisana. Ku-Inkwell Collective Experience njengoba beshilo ke sine poetry and live music. Live music nje, so i-target ethi lapho. And also umuntu ofisa ukuthi angene sayisibona abantu bebhala mhlawumbe bebhala ukuthi niyakhetha nithatha abantu ababodwa kanjani njani. Into engifuna ukuyi-emphasize lapho ukuthi the reason why sithatha abantu ababodwa siqale sibuke ulokhuza ama-socials wakho ukuthi a-right yini into oyipostayo i-right yini i-relevant yini to into oyenzayo. Awukwazi ukusipostela ama-joke and then bese uzofaka i-Inkwell on top of that because thina senza ama-jokes laphana. We performing live nje senza into ibe live and sifuna ukuthi lento ikhulu. And also live music and poetry kuma event akhona la eMkhondo and around ayingena ayinayo indawo. So sasithi thina masiyakhe likhaya ingene. Yingakho ke sine open mic. Ku open mic ke ngizohleni babona la bangabi khona live. uyabona lapho nalapho because
Ngingasifaki lawo
i-open mic angithi kusuke kuwumuntu osazoyiveza but ishow i-event isuke i-emphasize noma isuke icacise konke ukuthi kena for live people, for live performances yabo, bese kuba ukuthi umuntu uyangena-ke laphana simthathe naye open mic. Ingakho open mic futhi siyihlonipha nayo because ayiqali open mic ingakafiki, kumele nifike nizokwazi ukuthi nibone ukuthi who's got a potential, ezokwazi ukubonakala naye akhuthazeke anyuke, nimnikeze nama-ideas because omunye uyangena ku-poetry wangena ku-music just because uyabona abanye bayenza but then uMr Lishaba ngafika abona i-potential athi mfana wami yazi lento yakho inhle, uma wenze nje isitawu sosakhile lapho umuntu uyakwazi ukunyuka, umuntu uyakwazi ukuthi ahambe. So this year we are planning another event, a third annual. Last year angifuni ukungasho siphinde sibonge sima-sponsors esibe nawo last year. Sibe ne-Indlunkulu Foundation, omunye udadewethu waseThekwini kodwa usebenza eThailand, so wakwazi ukuthi asibhukhele ihholo, umasipala-ke wasikhokhisa ihholo, wakwazi ukuthi asibhukhele ihholo, wakwazi ukuthi asibhukhele ihholo usisi, waphinde futhi wasinikeza amanzi a-branded-ke Indlunkulu Foundation, waletha ne-artist, sakwazi nokuthi sithole nelinye artist futhi lo siso omuhle lo abathuluna City owenza content lokwasintsele manje laphana ku yes. So yes, siyazama konke kusuka la ephaketheni, uyabona nje masisi siba u6 sisuke sishala ephaketheni ukuthi each and every month kune certain amount esiyikhiphayo. Even though siyenzile event, there's a certain amount esiyikhiphayo ephaketheni, siyibeke bese kuzoba ile amathikithi. Imali amathikithi ihlezi incane, ayikazi abangikhulu imali amathikithi and ibhadara lezi zinto lezi, and siphinde futhi sibekele for the next. Asilindeli kuphela ama-sponsors kodwa siyawadinga wona, siyawacela nje Mr Lishaba ushilo ukuthi ngikhulume la e-TV ukuze izombopha lento bezozwa abantu. Washo wathi guys, next time if you have ama-guest asuka kude, indawo yokulala ngizowanikeza, ngiphinde ngiwanikeze nokudla. So nje siyabonga kakhulu Mr S ngalokho. Ngiyambopha la
On the spot.
Ngiyambopha la. Uyabona izoba ku-internet lento leyo. Uma ngabe kungasenzeki sohamba siye ku-internet, siye kule episode sifike sisho lapha. Hayibo. So lonke usizo siyalidinga kodwa selidinga ukuthi umuntu avela usiposta kwi-social media because umuntu asitext nje uhambe kwi-inbox yami noma uhambe kwi-inbox yakhe ukhethe uzokhuluma the very same thing ngizoyikhuluma mina no like very same thing lebzi uzokhuluma into eyodwa, sizwe lodwa sisonke njengoba sihleli event. So if unombono noma unento ofuna ukuyiveza noma khona into ongayizwa kahle, uyabuza to any of the members we-team Inkwe, thina sizakuphendula lapho. Sizawuphinde futhi sisho ukuthi yini into esiyidingayo uma kushuthi uyabona ukuthi khona esikudingayo noma esikucelayo thina, ngoba usizo vele siyalidinga ngaso sonke isikhathi. Yingakho hlezi sishaya emaphaketheni, but again also njengoba singakakwazi ukukhokhela ama-artist nalawa asuka kude, siyawacela bese sithi transportation ne-accommodation sizawuzama ukuze i-event babone nalaba, because our aim for ukuthi sibiza abantu bakude is not because bangcono kunabangapha, because sinabantu aba-right la yabo, but to expand the communication within ama-artists ukuthi usazokwazi ukukhuluma noLuna City lo yahleze mbona ku-TikTok onama-followers amaningi ukuthi wathola kanjani ama-followers, ufike kanjani la, akwazi ukuthi akhulume naye. Mhlawumbe uLuna City wenza i-event le noma uGubesi wenza i-event because sibona abantu kade sinabo, wenza i-event uyakwazi ukuthi aphike one of the artists sebawulibona eThekwini just to expand i-communication within ama-artists as sisenza i-poetry and live performances le engenaso isikhala kwamanye ama-event lawa
anotshwala isho
anotshwala because yes afuna o-H wena lawo because awukwazi ukuperforma lokuthi anithule ngeke umthulise umuntu vele ophuza. Yingakho kunzima ukuthi ubone performer live performance noma i-poet i-perform utshwaleni ngeke kuze kwenzeke lokho ngiyokubathulise la abantu labaya so mhlambe ezinye amanye ama-challenges esezibhekane nawo ukuthi abantu basibuze such questions ukuthi why isivaleleke asinayo indawo laba abaperforma live abanayo indawo ungaperforma live uperforme right kodwa ke futhi the most important thing ukuthi uphinde uclean nezinto zakho zibe clean music videos moshama music video wabe clean na web session iyashutha kodwa ke khona into futhi kodwa khona into kodwa khona ke into eyinkinga futhi kodwa khona into eyinkinga futhi most of the artists abanazo izithombe eziprofessional when it comes to ama poster umuntu ukunikeza isithombe bambinja yabo izithombe nje ezi very bad yabo abanye ngize ngithi ngizomane kukhokha u50 uhambe uyoshutha lesithombe ushuthe nje just 2 yabo bangezi futhi bangezi yabo ngisho ngithi I'll pay
uthi vele ufuna le goninja yakhe
ufuna la ephethe goninja yakho ufuna vele omunye wathi mina ngizosende sami nesithandwa sami ufuna sivele lapha nokupost so asisebenzi kanjalo omunye ke last point omunye uqhamuka athi nina anifuna ukukhokha wara okay eminyango niyakhokhisa tikithi kusawu50 uma ubala nje ukuthi target yabantu kuyokuqala sasitarget 60 people kwesibili besitarget 80 kwafika 100 nabava okusho ukuthi event yaphumelela kukhona abangezanga but bafika abo 100 yabo so kuleyo mali le yamathikithi kunezinto futhi la esiphinde sikhokhele ngaleyo mali yabo so uma uthi uyafika since thina sisakhula asinawo ama sponsors ukuthi kena anemali eningi bayakwazi ukuthi basifande ngemali eningi so sisakhula siyacela nje masifika kushaba sifike siguqe amadolo phansi sithi lishaba siyacela ukuthi usilekelele la kube ukuyushaba ukuthi uyavuma yini umuntu mhlawumbe othi asikhokhelani noma yena ngeke eze because asikhokhelani cha ngiyafisa ukuthi lo muntu loyo akaqala icheck naye zena artist ukuthi lento ekuthiwa yi-ROI uyayibheka yini ROI ke i-return on investment ukuthi uma ufuna 1000 noma 1.5 to perform in my event bakhona nabantu abazofaka le mali le e1.5 ngamathikithi abazoza nawo unawo ama followers do you have followers before wena ukhuluma ngiyazi uzongiqhatha nama artists amaningi kodwa there is ROI ngiyafisa ukuthi abantu bayibheke leyo ukuthi before ukhuluma ukuthi ke mina can perform best ingakho uthola ukuthi kuma shows kunomuntu olandelwa abantu abaningi kodwa nithucula umbheke yabo kubhukwa yena kuma shows abantu ababhukha kuma shows bafuna abantu abafuni a nice performance bafuna abantu abazongena kuma events thank you
hey yabona wona ngakufundisa kahle
enina bendenga yonke
yazi so let me comment and commit myself. I called him or I texted him and I said because I think it was one of his posts or whatever it was that I saw ukuthi banenkinga nge-sponsorship and all of that. Sesikhona manje siyatoha la stoka khona nathi asinawo ukuthini kodwa nje kukhona lokuncane and especially if I'm assisting my mentee it goes a very long way. So I am confirming I am going to be sponsoring this year's event, the Ingwe Collective. On the spot. Yeah, I am going to be sponsoring that. With I committed the accommodation and food for them, and even something else that you guys need. You just tell me in advance. Okay, this is what we're going to need. But I am willing to. So ilapo I am going to sponsor I am committing, especially the accommodation and catering. I'll do that. No, we can assist in our Dominic thing. I will do that because you guys are doing something very good. And in terms of events, they look at how many of us are doing events. I think they are looking at 3 people or 4 people here at MCOM.
Yeah.
We're talking, why are you not doing this? Why are you not doing that? So if we've got more events and I couldn't do my event, let me rather direct the funds to that certain event. Mshini, there's no excuse. You need to do the creative awards this year.
Yeah.
We'll find a way. We'll find a way. How do we do that? And I do not appreciate people who decide to buy in silos and suffer in silos when we are there and we can assist. Because you're not asking to me per se, but I've got a network of people that I know. So if you talk to me, this is what I need. I know personality kamshini is slightly the same as mine. Nami ngithanda ukuyibambela yonke into ngifele ngaphakathi. Yile nto le ubheki ayimasterisha ukuthi I don't care how you feel, but I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3. Ubheki what mayefika kimi, he's part of the Miss Mkondo team. When he came, I'll do 1, 2, 3. And that's what he did, and he did it very well. Because Mina Ben Naden looking for everything. And you can't do that. So if you guys are doing something and you want us to be part of that, let us know. Mara, you can't look special on Facebook and then no. You can't post an event today. Where the fuck am I going to get the money or the support that you need? Because back on
Yes.
laws of come say post the event, we are complaining that you're not supporting. But did you say anything to us? You know? So tell us in advance and then we need to plan. Yeah, but head office.
Ngingaze ngishaye ama-sponsors besinexoka and Brothers Africa project bese siphinde futhi siba ne uxoka Sunboy Xoka weza naye nedeco asiliqala usizo ukuthi lingakanani as long as kuusizo siyalibonga weza nedeco washo futhi wathi kena after the event mangimsendele ithombe wathi hayi guys na this year ngikhona. So we really appreciate Sunboy Xoka and also Ulethu Kuzama, one of the teammates Ulethu une business thing uyifarm. So yeah, Nolaika naye wenze some sort of yabona nje naye wasponsorisha ke wasilethela ke le ntombi emhlophe ngoba bebefunda nayo kaLongoye. Yes.
I was about to ask ukuthi nimthole kanjani. How do you pronounce her name?
Luna City.
Kona lo. Akunankinga. Yeah. This year who are you bringing?
Sicela ukwagodla amagama. A lot of inboxes even kwaZulu Natal because uma sizoletha ngesilethe more than 2. So letha 2 noma silethe oyedwa. Because asifuna ukuthi bese i-event i-dominator ikwaZulu Natal yabo sifuna ukuthi still ibanjwe umkhondo kodwa nje kube nalabantu laba abazokhuthaza ukuthi okay sivakashelwe and then yabo so into eqhubekayo futhi ibekhona into esazophila. We really appreciate everyone. Khona bengifuna ukukhuluma but I think ngizokukhumbula.
Ngicabanga wena you know what I'm proud of, especially when it comes to Big. I didn't have to tell him, but Big knows ukuthi mina I attend each and every event, no matter how small it is. For him to grow in poetry, he had to attend a lot of poetry events. You know, he had to go to different types of events, and I've seen him posting a lot of that, and I'm very proud of it. Because you build a network. And that's one thing people don't understand. When you go to events, and all of that, but you're building your network. Mina, I know when I'm going to Joburg. Not unless in Hamba no mama, obviously things are good. But I won't be stranded.
Exactly.
If I go to Pretoria, I won't be stranded. If I go to Cape Town or wherever, I won't be stranded because I've built that network. So it's very important, even to our artists. Let's not be too big for our own shoes, but let's learn to humble ourselves so that the next person will be able to say, what do you need? This is what Enzo. I've got friends who were disappointed because I post going down.
Yeah.
Who were very disappointed with how Josa could have gone out, and 1, 2, 3. Why Moshima book in? My brother and my sister's wife, my brother's wife, they even fought me, Gucci. I even booked a hotel whereas they are there. Like, why can't you come? No mungalala sofa, no mungalala in, which is the same thing I was doing. No, because he was very worried. Mangala the journey with him. I'm like, dude, if you do ponches, you know. So it's not about uti senzo kukumeza ngithi, but because at the end of the day, when the purpose yakho in life. Ukuthi uzophakamisa lo muntu lo, and ukuphakama kwakho it relies on this person. So ngizophakamela lo muntu lo into angilala ecansini, kanti at the end of the day ngizothi ngiyonokha lapha kube ngumuntu ozomqasha. So we really need to ukuthi let's humble ourselves and then learn nje ukuphila nabantu. Yonke into izabe se ithi iyaphambili. I wanted to ask ukuthi you guys have your event in December. I know funding and all of that, but have you explored a chance of having Inkwell build up of some sort, maybe in between the year?
Okay.
Maybe June, September, wherever. Just let's remind people that we are coming in December. You are not at that. We are coming.
Okay.
Have you explored that space? Can we do something? Like a beggar, looking now to see me now. What's Chacha Wonka like? And we yes, and I yes.
Okay, good we my event in Inkwell. Sabeka nje ukuthi iba khona ngoDecember. So ekuthenini sikwazi kanjani ukukhumbuza abantu ukuthi sisesekhona. Then kwase kwaba khona nama event abakhona ngaphansi kweInkwell lesi siwasiza ukwahlela. So lawo ma event lawo aphinde afake iInkwell phakathi. Asafani ukuthi IT because labo bantu esisebenza nabo bayasithanda bayaseseka futhi event yethu ngoDecember. So esikwenza kulawo ma event esazowenza futhi nesikwenzile nje last year bekune event nge9 August lebe iseGalitos. Event yaseGalitos isasi party yabantu abayihlela yaphumelela abayimpumelelo before event yethu ngoDecember Inkwell. Na this year sibene event ebesedlalitos. Lo event ibe impumelelo futhi nayo.
So last year
so this year besedlalitos nakhona futhi ibe impumelelo. Okuwukuthi futhi senokwenza sibe nama event i2 or 3 or more than that before event yango December.
Akwenzeke please.
Kuzokwenzeka okuwukuthi i2 akhona already but makuthi add azoba khona manje. Esizowalekelela ngokuthi kube khona abantu abasithandayo nabasiza because last kwaku sesidogwazi kule ebesibuya kuyo manje eDlalitos wathi yena uyayihlela eyaseDlalitos so sathini siyamlekelela ukuyihlelile sayihlela yaba impumelelo ukuthi nezayo futhi kuzoba khona futhi ekulabantu esisebenza nayo nabasiza.
Okay.
Mr. Shaba nje uma engeza athi mina ngifuna uba ifront nazi siyeza kuyesembisela.
Udokotela akakwazi ukubukula phana besadlula uphethwe ikhanda ephana. Ufuna wena uye kudokotela usho ukuthi ngiphethwe ikhanda phana. So you guys can come. I wanted to attend the Dlalitos one, but I was away.
It was very nice.
Yeah. I saw from the pictures and I was like, fuck, I missed out.
Okunye ngifisa ukusho kuona lawo ma event esizwa kakhulu uDlozi Msibi. Dlozi Msibi womkhondo TV sibambisene sikanjena and nginetoho lapha na Dlozi ngenza ama graphics khona. Nginetoho lapha na Dlozi so angikwazi ukuthi
Hey, he's singing for his break this one.
Nginetoho lapha na kwa Msibi. Ngishilo ngathi Inkweli Collective inomsebenzi omningi kakhulu. Nale okunye futhi kunomsebenzi omningi kakhulu. Yes. Nginetoho lapha na Dlozi Msibi and uyasiza kakhulu because uDlozi uyasiprovide ngo sound system.
Yes.
For free kulama events
Ngimfundisile na ubuya la zandleni zakhe.
And also ngo-June ngomhla 14 sine event ezayo ama acts sawafihlile njengamanje sawafihlile
kancane phela I don't know now guys ngiphuza amanzi la. Yeah, carry on.
Khona kuzoba nama artists awu2 azobe makhulu ngo-June ka 14 nginikeza iscope umuntu osekhaya ama artists awu2 ningangi-inbox so wabona ama artists afanele ukuthi kena abe kwi-poster azoba yilaba abantu laba abazobe khona lapha umuntu maye ekwi-poster lapha emkhulu uyosho ukuthi ngicela usakhile as an MC ngicela ubani bese siyahamba thina somkhulumela sibona ukuthi kena sifikaphi kuphinde futhi nge9 zika August sinenye event futhi khona lapha eDlalitos ngoba basasinikezile ispace siyababonga futhi nabo eDlalitos basinikezile ispace nje nalesa ngoJune umhla 14 ispace sinikezwe isonto ibona i-web session ngifuna ukusho ukuthi umshini wayeshonelwe ngelanga laseDlalitos kodwa wayesithembisile futhi waye one of the sponsors laphayana kwi-web session ukuthi bazoshuthela noma iTom sagcina sisebenzisa iPhone nje the whole day i-camera yafika no Mashampline lwale ubani uNatal u35 shout out to uNatal babamba ko pack i-camera angazi pack why no iphathanga i-camera because nani one of the sponsors eDlalitos why i-camera no iphathanga azange niyiphathe i-camera web session
Guys ngisaphuza amanzi la.
Azange niyiphathe i-cameras web session sasikhulumile sacela
mina ngazi why mina ngifaka endabeni
Wafika.
when you speak to
uqoke web session man
multi-text web session you're talking to a machine.
Why are you throwing machine under the bus?
I'm not talking. No.
Machine had lost its matter, by the way.
Okay. Why should
I didn't even know what you mean. I didn't even know.
You need to be very
now we
out there. Shut up.
Okay. What mbuze uLushaba no Asia. Why camera babe ngekho ke futhi
mina ama-camera ngawanikeza bona thina we are in front of the camera not behind.
Okay, one of the things futhi engifisa ukuthi ngiyiphakamisa ama-video esawashutha ngo-December awakafiki kuthina kubantu akumele bahlanganisele sabakhokhela ke full amount abala emkhona so ngelinye lamalanga sizophuma okay ngeke ngize ngibafile okay ulokhuza sasacela khona umfana oshuthe emall sacela umfana oshuthe emall khona umfana oshuthe emall usibo Shabalala ukuthi sicela ukuthi ashuthele ivideo wavuma sasho futhi sathi ke just a 10-minute clip sakhokha waqede ngelanga lomcimbi no waqede ngelanga lomcimbi ngimsebenzini ntambama waqede ngelanga lomcimbi
uyafutha
I know ngilanda umphathi
okay
so it's very bad ngelanga lomcimbi waletha omunye yabo futhi kulo December senzekelwe inhlekelele sewukuthi we don't talk to you waletha omunye
hayi thina nadlosi uza-expose adlosi
saphinde futhi kowe-camera because sasifuna abantu abahlukene i-web session asisayithembi kahle sifisa ukusho lo ukuthi masicela ukuthi asisayithembi kahle for ukushuta because it izinto aniy'tholi noma bafiki okay vele ama-video akwi-first annual aphi if nithi ziyafika izinto if nithi ziyafika izinto ngifuna ukuthi ngiyavenda-ke namhlanje
maro yas-expose phela manje
so mina ngifuna ukuthi lo zothi bese ngiyambuza umbuzo wakho oqondene apha amavideo
akumshini
nifikile
mchazile mshini
yes
mina
nifike
ngangiyongcaba mkhulu
wafika upheki wafika uzile but
mina
camera ololo
mina ngangiyongcaba mkhulu
okay yes uyayithethelela ngoDecember kwi-second annual sacela uTsekho khona uTsekho ayeshuthe edlala ithozi ngokuphelile yabo samcela ukuthi sicela ukuthi ushuthe izithombe uyakwazi ke vele ushutha naye uTsekho ngelanga lomcimbi wacela uVice ngelanga lomcimbi uVice uyafika ukuthi mina ngikwazi ukushutha angikwazi ukushutha izithombe ngikwazi ukushutha amavideo lo umfana kaShabalala wacela ukhulekani lo oshutha amavideo
yeah ukhulekani
for
wazitha lethu
yes
singaze sidideke sibize omunye ukhulekani sisho lo shuthayo
so
sisho lo shuthayo ukhulekani lo shutha into eright ephilayo
idrink ugcinwa ayiphuzanga vele iqedwa yimbe la manje nayo iqedwa
uqede phone
so labantu bonke abantu esabacela njengokuthi sicela uSakhile Lishaba acela uKheda ngicela ungibambele lapha na inkwela and siyabona ukuthi abantu ngathi abasithatha serious into yethu abayithatha serious or else sibhadala imali encane ngoba sisuke sikhulume nabo personal ukuthi sicela ukuthi ushuthe asinayo khona imali kodwa kukhona singakhipha malini sidinga into engaka sikhulume nabo ukuthi into engaka ingasibiza malini bayibiza imali sibanikeze imali futhi esikhikhini lesishilo ukuthi sisuke siyiqoqa bathumela abanye abantu mase kumele sinikeze umsebenzise kwesixakaxaka sekuyaxakazela nomunye uthi hayi kumele ngabe ukhuluma nomuntu wakhuluma naye eqaleni noma yabo so yingakho ngazuthi
local businesses
sengilokhuza umbuzo wakho sengiphendula umbuzo wakho lo ubuze eqaleni ukuthi why izinto zeningayivezi sigcina siveza lo kwamafoni lo kwecamera sisuke siyibukhile akufiki and siyakhokha and akufiki and noma ungamemeza sewukuthi asifuni ukuthi siye kwi social media sifike simention umuntu sithi why ungayilethi izithombe zethu because uDecember 21 kodwa izithombe zafika
mina ngicela ukuthi the next time especially when it comes to web sessions
yes
you text machine well guys whatever you do text it goes to our executive producer which is machine text me as well you have my number so that I can remind this guy but it's not going to happen again because again laptop in football like I said we trust
thank you
they bought us a laptop
thank you
so now we've got a laptop so text me as well because
okay
ni khulume nathi no 6
yeah
and you talk the same language we want to do that as well I don't want to say ukuthi we are doing it right now
yeah
but we want to go there and one thing that we've learned today is when I call you you will say the same thing that Keda would say and Ulaika would say
yeah.
So text me as well specifically for you because you've got my number and then I'll pass the message to him and I'll make sure it delivers so siyaxolisa on behalf of your session you didn't get your videos
yeah
and your photos he mentioned the reason ukuthi it's because of the audio and whatever and the video being lost along the way but we do apologize we take full accountability for that
yes I think so
but for this year
yeah
wave session is going to be there I am committing wave session is going to be there you will get your content and you will upload on time.
Exactly. Okunye sikucela.
Are we forgiven?
Okunye
Are
sikucela.
we forgiven?
Yeah, ni
Sipolelo.
sebaxolele.
That's the person.
Le vele ke iphume.
Wena lele iphume.
Okusho ukuthi
Yebo noma cha before ungachazi ngiyasixolela
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Okay, asikho isidingo sokuthi decide manje asiqole. Thina we can make it up to you, hey.
Exactly.
Exactly.
Guys, we've got guests behind the cam. There was a hand. Phil, you had something you wanted to say. You covered. Okay, cool. Hey, I'm enjoying this episode. Jay!
Too bad.
Hey, now I'm looking at the time. Yeah. All right. Do you guys have something to add? I think we need to close the show before we roll it. Yeah. Also, we requested an hour.
After your show on Dalitos.
Yeah.
About the bamboos, because now we number body busy mic. So man put the hammer nina. They were like, so finally about bamboos and start calling. Listen to is it couldn't be by car they explain about.
yeah.
It's running food. So please tell the people who do when are you doing another.
Sizoyenza umhla 14 June. I-live event angaba khona amanye singalekelela kuwona. Kodwa nje ezobe i-live la isiginci khona uzosizwa sikhala la esandleni, i-keyboard uzoyizwa ikhala la ezandleni. Konke nje kuculwa live izoba ngomhla ka-14 June. Lapho siyathembisa bese ngomhla ka-9 August Women's Day celebration as last year. Siyenzile ngithi sizoyenza this year and sizoyenza nabantu abazonimangaza ukuthi ha kodwa ama-artist futhi bangasi-inbox ama-artist azoshuwela abantu laba abangama-headliner lapha noma la abazobe bakhulu kwi-poster uye umuntu ozosho ukuthi ngicela uphekhe ngicela ubani and bese siyacela ningafiki late i-web session ifika late siyacela ukuthi ningafiki late
Hayi nabana
and one
Kanti papa sayile umuntu la.
i-Coca-Cola la ngayiphuza kanti wena manje
mana kade ngifuna ukuvela ngiyawabheka ama-episode wenu
ukhumbula ukuthi episode edit
ngiyawabheka ama-episode wenu yazi ukuthi siyezwa mani ukhuluma nge-inkweni shamathashapa sisho sithi Sophia one day sizoyiphendula yonke
wait
answer.
Now I almost forgot. You guys did not have Stelo as an MC. You had Usanele as an MC. What happened? And this one said something about her.
What in?
Hayi nayibuka go and watch the show.
Siwabukela wonke.
So what happened to Sanele?
What happened to Usanele Siwe? Usanele Siwe, it's a very good MC. Naye kodwa ke osakhula.
Don't be diplomatic. Khuluma iqiniso.
No, lutho. Usanele is a very good MC. Naye osakhula. So a team esehlala esisuke sizo.
Ngizoyiphendula ne.
Mana lalela ngiyalokhuza ngiyaphendula la. Ningamjahi. Ngithi mina i-team.
So by the way, before he responds, they had an MC who poster, ne?
Yeah.
Bekungisanele Siwe Gamet. My model, I love her very much. My model. Sisalalela u-MC okuposter sengena Stelo, who was not part of the MC. Stelo, we know he's an MC, but he's also a poet. You know, sasimkade ku-poet. Bamshintsha nje sithubeni, abasichazela. So uchaza yona le.
Yeah,
niyibone le response ukuthi sugar coated by the way.
Mana ngifuna ukuthi ke na ngiqale
So Peg, what did you say for the last episode? You said she did a what job?
Funa ngathi ngasho no.
Wait. You said she did what job?
I said
You said she did a terrible job. That's what you said. You said she did a terrible job.
That's why.
Yabo yikho ke.
That's why you changed.
Watch the show.
Lalelani.
You said she did a terrible job.
Lalelani ngisho.
Did she do a terrible job?
No.
She did a well job.
Wenza umsebenzi
Okay,
okahle.
good.
Okay. Abantu esisuke
So she
sihlelana.
didn't do a terrible job.
Yes, she didn't do a terrible job.
She did a good
She
job.
did a good job.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Are you
100%.
sure?
Yeah,
Why did you
ufuna
change?
ukuthi
Why did you change?
angilokhuzi.
Why did you change?
Yabo. Lalela.
Why did you change?
Ukuthi ngijaha la. Athi ngiyayithatha.
Why did you change the MC?
Okay, I'm gonna say the same thing he's gonna say.
No way.
Uzosho the very same thing. Uzosho the very same thing.
Why did you change the MC?
We're all gonna say the
Asichange
same
yangu
thing.
MC.
What did you do?
Samfaka ngesikhathi esazivumelana ukuthi sombanga ngaso isicelo.
Sicelo was not part of the MC.
Okay. Usicelo was
Pause.
lalela. Mana.
Whoa, alukwazi usidayisa
Mana sharp.
Batha ngimi.
Sokumume. Hey, lento ideshayo. Yayizwa lento ideshayo ukuthi iyakhuluma manje. Okay. Ulokhuza usanelisiwe was ngoba ishow yethu
Was the open mic MC?
no. Ishow yethu iyakhulisa.
Was the open mic MC?
Iyakhulisa ama artists.
Salise was the open mic MC.
Yeah,
event,
we
yes.
Event, yes. The case is closed. Carry on. Guys, on the 29th of March, we are at Zach's Pub and Grill for the full moon build up. What's the name of the event again? Yeah, I don't know where the poster is. But we are at Zach's Pub and Grill. No, serious. We are at Zach's Pub and Grill. Kuzan is going to be there. Smaman is going to be there. Oh boy, my boy is going to be there as the MC. Who else is going to be there? I did mention Kuzan. I'm coming to you designing a poster, Kuzan. Who else?
Smamizi will be there.
Yeah, I did mention Smamizi. Oh, my hip hop fans.
Mention it.
All right. So you did. Oh yes, thank you.
Yeah.
I don't see. Oh, Smamana is going to be there. Kuzan is going to be there. Gachen is going to be there. Salka AD, I don't know this one. And Amafumane. I'm talking for myself. I don't know that. Akirikin na odira announcement. Yo, angibazi laba abanye mara laben baziyo bazo record. We are going to Amsterdam 29 March. You guys are invited. Buy a ticket though. The ticket is Phase 2, we're on Phase 2. General until the 29th of March. General is 150. VIP is 450. We'll see you there. Guys, the VIP so please do make sure you buy the tickets. But it Wolves Awakening. So it's a build-up event to the full moon event. We're going to be there. Wave session is going to be there. I believe Inkwell is also going to be there.
Yeah, true.
Oh, true.
Yeah.
Say it out loud. Say it to the camera.
Yes, sizoqala ngomhla 5.
Yeah, promote your event.
Okay.
5
Okay.
April.
Oh, 5 April. Oh, 29 March, right?
Yes.
So qala ngomhla 29 March size la. Bese ngomhla
Size Zach's Pub and Grill. Hayi size la.
Yes, size la kule post oqeda.
Hayi size Zach's Pub and Grill.
Ngicela ukuphinde into eyodwa leyo.
Iphinde.
Oh, sizoza eZax
Pub and Grill.
eAmsterdam.
Yes.
Yes.
Also known as iButchery yaseMsidam edume nawo wonke amabhushara.
Yes, ngayenzela iposter futhi nayo.
Eh,
Yes. Bese siya eRichards Bay. UNdlunkulu wasponsor usibizile ukuthi ke nasizo attend umcimbi wakhe unetiyanyana nje enseleni. Bese ngiphinde futhi ngikhuthaza ama poet ukuthi uma kune post eseculateayo yeMpumalanga Poetry Festival awa apply inkosi yami. Kuyaholwa laphana uyabhukhwa nje unikeza imali yakho nje khuthalelani mention iMpumalanga Poetry Festival ezithombeni zakhe eziclean lento yezithombe kusho ukuthi izithombe eziclean abantu aba-mention iMpumalanga Poetry Festival ngoDecember noma mase kusondela yaba ngomhla ka-16 November last year and I'm part of the organizers lapha kodwa angifuni ukuthi abantu ba-text mina because mina ngithatha i-graphic designers part kuphela so I'm part of the team sengisebenza nabo kuMpumalanga Poetry Festival so asisebenzeni nginencwadi yakuMpumalanga Poetry Festival volume 1 kunenkondlo yami futhi lapho so nje there's a lot esingakhuluma kushona ilanga kuningi
we'll invite you again
sure
3 to 5 May we are at the Metro FM Awards anginazi mina me I'm going nina anginazi nina anginazi but ngiyathenga amathikiti lapha 3 to 5 May we are at the Metros Mbombela Stadium we're going to be there. I'm going to be at the at the Metro FM Awards. I'm going to be there. Next week Saturday I'm going to Mpumalanga. Mbombela. Miss Mpumalanga 2025. That's where I'm going to be. Basa designer my suit for that. Amsterdam Makubu, who's representing Umkhondo local municipality. We are behind you guys. Please vote for Zinhle Makubu from Mkhondo local municipality. She's there at Miss Mpumalanga. I'm going to Miss Mpumalanga. I don't know about this 4 or this 3 or this entire house, but I'm going there next week Saturday. I'm going to be in Nelspruit for Miss Mpumalanga 2025. I'm going to be supporting my sister there, and Enya is the following week. 21st I'm not here in the other week. 21st to the 23rd I'm going to be in Swaziland. So that's where I'm going. I'm not going to be here, but please do continue supporting us and supporting E-Wave Station. One thing that's trending, Marumba Pitch is splitting. They sent out a media statement. They sent out a media statement. They are going their separate ways. No choice.
Yes, they always do.
So Marumba Pitch is no longer Marumba Pitch because they are going their separate ways. They are splitting. Yeah. But guys, can we please meet on the 29th of March 2025? Again, 29th of March 2025, there's the Backyard Hood Party, which is happening in Joburg. South, South or which Joburg is that? South of Joburg. NPM is hosting a Backyard Hood Party in Joburg. If you wanna go, the ticket is 50 rands. If I remember correctly. If not, just check out on NPM posters or NPM Facebook page. You will see ukuthi kuzobe kune pool yard back party or back party or whatever it is, but there is a pool something. It's in Joburg. Unfortunately, myself I won't be there. I'll be in Amsterdam, but it's happening in Johannesburg. Mkhondo usually supports this event. Last year it was in October and you guys pulled up in numbers. Please do pull up. This one is a build up to the one that's going to be happening in November. You got to design for Kuzani. How did Kuzani get hold of you? Just 30 seconds and then we'll take it from there and then we'll close the show.
There was a competition.
Okay.
Marketing strategy. Because we advertise sebenzisa ama-influencers but we-influencer kwayena so uma ethi kena ozowina onama-shares amaningi that tells you something ukuthi kena you design i-poster iyinhle iyimbi and then ozothola ama-shares amaningi uthole u-5,000 uthole i-tracksuit aka K7 bese kuba i-ticket no la Mkhondo ngeke
So because you got to win.
No, azange ngiwin.
Oh, winner.
Mfethu khona abantu abaku 10,000 lapha mina ngisa struggle ukufika ku 100 wama shares eMkhondo. So that's how Mkhondo is. Oh again guys, emfisa ukuthi ngisho ukuthi abafowethu asibavoteleni kuma Mama Awards.
Oh yes, there's Mama Awards, yeah.
Ayavalwa ngomhla ka 11, 10 or ngomhla 11. Kunolungile Masondo, kuno Khadafi wala ku F Sessions. Kuno who else? Utamlas. But baningi.
Let's mention abantu bethu. There's Lungile Masondo from Kondo FM, best vote. Best MC, right?
Yeah, best MC.
Yo, now our focus is split because our boy is also nominated for the same award, which is best MC.
Yeah.
Lungile, I love you, but anyways, guys, vote for Oh Boy, best MC, best MC, best MC.
Manje ngakhuluma uLungile.
Ukhuluma ngaye sengiyatsho.
uLungile, please. Izophuma nini le episode ngoba phela kuyavalwa manje vele.
Mshina is not here, but izophuma kusasa.
Thank you. Yes. Siyabonga kakhulu wonke nje umuntu okumama ukuthi simvotele abantu bethu laba abangakithi abasemkhondo. Kulungileke futhi uma umvotela ovote kakhulu uzothola 1000.
Siyabonga. All right, the NBM Yard Pool Party is happening on the 29th of March. NBM Records and Clean Boys Mhlaba Wonke presents what I just said. Tickets are available at web tickets, Pick and Pay, and Boxer stores. Tickets is $70 at the gate. Alcohol and food will be sold at the venue. Gates will open at 12 p.m. until 2 a.m. Cooler box encane u100 enkulu uyi150. Ihabli uma uza nehabli yakho uzoyikhokhela u50 ebese uma ngabe uyayirenta ikhona at the venue. Ungaphathi idakamizwa, ungaphathi ikhali. Tough guys stay at home. There's no VIP, everybody's there. It's the same. Go hard or go home. The event is happening at stand number 14 Stamford Road at Kibla Park, Johannesburg South on the 29th of March 2022. This is Mr. S. We out. Thank you very much. This has been an interesting episode. Thank you to Inkwell Collective. Thank you to Liga the Poet. Sorry. Thank you, Keda the Poet and Rapper. Thank you to my mentee, Beguthando Kanyambose. Mina ngimaze ngubhekwa kaDlamini kodwa ke Beguthando Kanyambose and my boy there, Ashwell, which I took his joke today. It's been great. We love you. This is Mr. S signing out.
Siyabonga kakhulu onyathelekile somphinda. Somphinda masibuye.